Hello all, and welcome to the course Python Tips, Tricks, and Techniques, where we talk about simple tricks from the Python language and Python standard library to make you a better Python programmer. My name is Rudy, and this is a course by Pact Publishing. A little bit about me. So I have 6 years of experience in data science, and I have deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling, and I'm currently building natural language generation technology. In this course, we're going to learn through 6 different sections how we can improve our Python code with Pythonic language patterns. We'll work on ordered collections with lists and list comprehensions. And then we're going to create simple key value stores with Python dictionaries. We then talk about speeding up our code with high-performance container data types, mainly in the collections submodule in Python. And then we'll talk about making our code easier to debug with functional programming patterns and techniques. In the 5th section, we're going to organize our code better with OOP, object-oriented programming, and classes. In the last section, we're going to create safer and cleaner applications with Pythonic patterns. There are 2 prerequisites in this course. We want you to have basic understanding of programming, and also some prior Python programming experience. In this course, we aim to take your programming skills to the next level in crucial areas of programming such as loops, data structures, and object-oriented programming. We show you 30 Python techniques containing hidden gems in Python PEPs, the standard library, and documentation. We help you going from Python user to expert by learning tips and tricks gathered from Stack Overflow, developer forums, and Python source code. Following a problem solution format, each video makes it easy to understand tried and tested solutions to solve common problems. Without further ado, let's begin.